express this as a single fraction. So there is two ways we can do this. The normal way, we get LCM, this times this, that is AB. The LCM is AB. B goes to AB 8 times, so it is A into A plus B, minus A goes to AB, B times B into B minus A. Open the bracket, A times A squared, plus A times B, AB, minus B times B, it's going to be minus B squared, minus B times minus A, so it will be plus AB over AB. Write terms together, AB plus AB, we have A squared plus 2AB minus B squared over AB. Or the other way you can do it, cross multiply this, that is A into A plus B minus B into B minus A over A times B times A, AB. This is going to be A squared minus AB minus B squared plus AB. Sorry, this is A squared plus B. This is A squared plus 2AB minus B squared over AB. This one and this one are the same. Find the area, the total surface area of the figure below. As you can see, this figure is a wedge. It's a wedge like. So the simplest way to do this, to find the total surface area, is to use this formula that surface area, total surface area, is equal to the area of cross section. CS means cross section. Then you multiply times 2. Then you add plus perimeter of cross section times length. In this one, the cross section is a face which has two faces. Like now, this face here is also behind there. There is this face here. So this face, right? So this face is equal to this. This is the cross section, right? If it was a cylinder, the cross section area of a cylinder is this circle and this circle. Those two faces that are the same, that fits on top of the other. There are only two faces which can fit on the other. It is this and that. This is exactly equal to this. This is exactly equal to this. So that's what we call a cross section. Now you get the area of the cross section. Now if from here up to here is 13, it means from here up to here is also 13. So we have here up to here is 5. We don't have the base for this triangle. This is a triangle. We do not have the base. So we can get that base by using Pythagoras theorem. We know that 13 squared will be equal to, alright, I can say if this is the, can give this one as the base. So b squared plus 5 squared, which is this one, will be equal to 13 squared. Therefore, b squared is equal to 169 minus 25. B squared is equal to 144, and b equal to the square root of 144. B equal to 12. So from here up to here is 12 centimeters. Right. Now we apply the formula. Area of cross-section area, I have told you the area of the cross-section area is a triangle, therefore it is a half base times height. A half times 12 times height, which is 5. This is the area of cross-section. Then you multiply times 2. This one times 2. This one will be 60 centimeters square. So the area of cross-section times 2 is 60 centimeters square. Now the next one is you add perimeter of cross-section. So find the perimeter of cross-section. The perimeter of cross-section is 12 plus 5 plus 13. So perimeter equal to 13 plus 12 plus 5. And this one is 25, 30. Then perimeter times length. Now in this one, the length is this one. This is the length. Times 10. So that is 300. Now total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 300 plus 60, which is equal to 360 centimeters square. But this is the simplest way of getting that one. So method 2. Some students like using, for example, this is a rectangle. They will calculate this rectangle. They will say this is 13 times 10. So we have rectangle here, length times width. 10 times 13. This is this one, and then plus this one. That's what they can see. So the reason why I don't like this one is because some students may not even know that there is this triangle here is on the other side, that there is another rectangle this side. So this method can be used for students those who are able to do like this, and be able to do like this, and be able to do it like this. Now this one, they can be able to use this method. So they can say now, area of this triangle, rectangle, area of this rectangle is 10 times 13, plus area of this rectangle here, which is 10 times 5, plus area of the bottom rectangle. Are you seeing? Area of the bottom rectangle, which is 12 times 10, because this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, times 10, plus area of the two triangles, this and this, which is a half times 12 times 5, and then times 2. So this one is 130 plus 50 plus 120 plus 60. So plus 120 here, plus 50, 300 plus 60, and the answer is 360 centimeters square. So either way can work, but the first method is very, very simple. Solve for x. In this equation, we are squared to find the value of x. This is an equation and not an expression. Therefore, you can decide to put here over 1 to make it uniform. Now, find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 4, 5, and 1 is 20. You just multiply this times this, that is 20. After you get your LCM, so LCM is 20. You multiply each term by the LCM. Multiply each term by the LCM. This is the first term, second term, and the third term. So we got next, it is x over 4 multiplied by the LCM, which is 20, plus 20 into x plus 3 over 5 plus 6, equal to 6 times LCM, which is 20. You multiply each term by the LCM. Now you cancel this one here, was 5. This one once, here 4. So 4 times x, it is 5x. 5 times x, 5x, plus 4 times x, 4x, plus 4 times 3, 12, is equal to 120. Like terms together, bring those terms that are alike together. This plus this is 9x plus 12 is equal to 120. Next, now again, like terms together, this one will go to the other side. Once it crosses the equal sign, it changes this sign. Once it crosses the equal sign, it changes its sign. So this is 9x is equal to 120 minus 12. So 9x is equal to 108. To get the value of x, you divide by both sides by 9 by 9. So x is equal to 12. Solve for x in this equation. Now look at the denominators. To balance the denominator, because this does not have, so you can put over 1 to balance that. Now find the LCM of these denominators. The LCM is going to be 6, 2 times 3. So our LCM is equal to 6. Multiply each term with the LCM. So we start with the first term, then the second term, and then the third term. So here the first term is x plus 3 over 2. You put a bracket and multiply with 6. Minus 6 into x minus 4 over 3 is equal to 4 over 1 times 6. Now you can cancel out this one here thrice, these ones here twice. The next thing is now you multiply 3 times x, 3x, plus 3 times 3, 9. This one now, you need to be very careful. This one is minus 2 times x. This is negative 2 times x. So minus 2 times x is going to minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 4. Negative times a negative is a positive. So it's going to be plus 8. Negative 2 times negative 4 is equal to 8, which is equal to 20. Like terms together, bring this and this, they are like terms. That is 3x minus 2x, that is x. 9 plus 8, that is 17, is equal to 24. Continue grouping like terms together, bring this on the right side. Once it crosses the equal signs, it changes the sign. X is equal to 24 minus 17. X is equal to 7. Indices, solve for x. So we have this equation here. We need to solve for the value of x. First, because we are talking about indices, this is the topic of indices, then make sure, look at the bases that are here. This is the smallest base, that is 3. But 9 can be converted or changed into 3. But 36 cannot. You cannot write 36 to base 3 directly. It is not going to be easy. Therefore, just write what is what can be written. So let's change this into base 3. This is the same as 3. 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 9. Then there was another power here. You open the power was here. That is x plus 1 cross plus 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to 36. Now, can you open this bracket? This is 3, 2x this one. What is that? Remember, if I had 5, 2x plus 1, what was the original version of this? The original version was 5 raised to power 2x times 5 raised to power 1. Because when it is multiplication, to change this to this one, the bases are the same. Therefore, you take one base, which is 5. The powers you add the indexes, that is 2x plus 1. So this and this, they are the same, because this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Therefore, you need to understand that. Now, can you convert this one into this form? This is equal to 3 2x times 3 squared, that is this, plus 3 2x times 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 36. Now let 3 raised to power x be y, or yeah, y. So where you see 3 raised to power 2x, put y there. So this is y times 9 plus y times 3, which is equal to 36. Now this is 9y. 9y plus 3y is equal to that 6. Therefore 12y is equal to 36. Now here we can get the value of y. Divided by 12, divided by 12. Y is equal to 3, right? We have not finished yet, but we were not looking for the value of y, but we were looking for the value of x. But we said that y is equal to 3 raised to power 3x. Therefore, we said that y is equal to 3 to x. But what is y? 3, which is this, is equal to 3 raised to power 2x. Yes? Now, since any number which is written like this is always raised to power 1, since the bases are the same, you ignore the bases, and this is 1 is equal to 2x. Now, we want the value of x divided by 2 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to half. Simplify for x indices. Now let's write 47 to base 7. This one is 7 raised to power 2, but there's another power here which we can multiply times 2. So 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 1 plus 2. Then plus 7 raised to power 2x is equal to 350. So it is not easy for you to write 306 to base 7 immediately. So we can now write it like that. Now, since the bases are the same on this side, but you need to understand what is this. This is exactly the same as 7 raised to power 2x times 7 raised to power 2. Because the bases were the same, now they took one base, which is 7, and they added the powers. Because it is multiplication. That's why we have this. This is taken back to this. So this can also be taken back to this. Plus 7 to x is equal to 350. So now you let 7 raised to power 2x be any letter of your choice. Can even be k. Therefore, where you see 7 raised to power 2x, substitute with k. Now this is k times 7 squared, which is 49, plus k, and that is 350. Now this is 49k plus k, which is equal to 350. Therefore, 50k is equal to 350. You want the value of k, you divide it by 50 both sides. Therefore, k is equal to 7. Right? This one can cancel out 7. But remember we said that k be 7 raised to power x. So it means that, but we say that 7 is equal to 7 raised to power 2x. But any number which is written this way, it means it is raised to power 1. Therefore, the powers, the bases when they are the same and we are dealing with indices, you ignore the base. Now ignore the base and deal with the powers or the index. Therefore, this is 1, which is equal to 2x. Divided by 2, we want the value of x, remember? Therefore, x is equal to a half. X is equal to a half. If we imagine that this one is a long method, let us try method 2 and see if that can be shorter. Method 2, try to write everything to base 7. Now here you need to be somehow clever and look for the number that can be written to base 7 up to 350. Therefore here we are going to do like this. 49, that is 7 raised to power 2, that is 49. But this is a power and there is another power here. So this is 2 times it is like this. X plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x equal to 300 is the same as 7 raised to power 3, which is 243, plus 7 raised to power 1. 7 raised to power 1 is the same as 7. So this plus this is equal to 350. So you write it in form of 7 to base 7, right? Therefore here, open this bracket. This is 7 raised to power 2x plus 2 plus 7 raised to power 2x equal to 7 raised to power 3, 7 raised to power 1. Now since the bases are the same all through, you ignore them and deal with the powers. So this is 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 3, equal to 7 equal to 3 plus 1. Now we are dealing with the powers since the bases are the same. So 2x plus 2x, that is 4x plus this plus that is 2 equal to 5. Now like terms together, 4x is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3. Yes. Right. So this is 2x. 2x plus 2x, that is 4x plus 2 is equal to 4. Like terms together, 4x is equal to 2 because this one here we subtracted 2 here. Therefore divide it by 4 to get the value of x, divide it by 4. So x equal to a half. Solve for x in this equation. Here there are two ways. One, let's write 4 and 32 to base 2 because both of them can be written to base 2. This is 2 raised to power 2 into x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 5. This is 2x plus 2 equal to 2 raised to power 5. Since the bases are the same, ignore them. Now 2x plus 2 equal to 5. 2x equal to 5 minus 2. 2x equal to 3. Divided by 2, divided by 2. X equal to 1.5 or 1.5. Let's solve for the value of x in this equation. Now, this equation, it it's not going to be very easy for you to write anything to any base, because this is 5 and this is 12. Both of them, they have the power of x. Therefore, you cannot write any of them to base, either 12 or 5. Therefore, what you do, you introduce the logs. You say log 5 raised to power 2x minus 1 will be equal to log 12 raised to power x. But you know that from the logarithm rules, log base b a raised to power x, this is the same as, this is the base, this is the same as, the power of this will come this side. This will be x log a b, right? You remember that? So this one is the same as, bring the power to the back, from the to the back, 2x minus 1 log 5 equal to x log 12. Now using your mathematical table or calculator, find log 5. Log 5 will be equal to 0.6. Therefore this will be 2x minus 1 bracket times the log of 5, which is 0.698797. That is the log of 5 will be equal to x times the log of 12. The log of 12 is 1.09792x. Yes. Now you multiply this times this, multiply this times everything in the bracket. So this times this, we are going to get 1.3979x minus this times this is going to be 0.69897, which is equal to this times that, you get 1.0792x. Now what next? You bring legs together. This and these are alike. Therefore, when it reaches this, we are going to subtract 1.3979x minus 1.0792x will be equal to 0. This one will come on this side and it will change the sign to positive 69897. So subtract this using your calculator. You will find that it will be 0.3187x, and that will be equal to 0.69897. We want the value of x, therefore we divide by both sides by 0.3187. So x equal to 2.193. 4 years ago, Mina was 3 times older than Jane. 6 years from now, Mina will be twice as old as Jane. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? So now let us have Mina. So now Mina will be x, then Jane will be y. Now 4 years ago, 4 years ago. So 4 years ago, Mina will be x minus 4, while Jane will be y minus 4. But we are told that 4 years ago, Mina was 3 times older than Jane. So how can we make the number of years of Jane and Mina to be the same? It's either we are going to multiply the years, the number of years of Jane times 3, or we divide by the number of Mina by 3 to make it equal. It means that in 4 years ago, Mina, which is x minus 4, will be equal to 3 into y minus 4. The number of years of Jane will be 3i's, that of this one. So the number of minor is 3i's. Therefore, to make the number of years of Jane to be equal to that of minor, we multiply the number of years of Jane with 3 to make it equal to that of minor. So we can solve this. This is x minus 4 equal to 3y minus 12. We can bring this, so we have x minus 3y equal to this, bring here, plus 4. So we have equal to negative 8. That one will be equation 1. That will be equation 1. Next, in 6, the next question here. 6 years from now, 6 years from now, 6 years from now. So Jane minor. Jane will be y plus 6 and minor will be x plus 6. But in 6 years from now, minor will be twice as old as Jane will be. So to make the number of Jane the same as that of minor, we multiply the number of years of Jane times 2 to make it equal to that of minor, because minor is twice older than Jane. So this one is the same as x plus 6 minor is years will be equal to twice of that of Jane. X plus 6 equal to 2y plus 12. X minus 2y equal to 6. This is our equation 2. Now we need to solve these two equations to get the number of value of x and y, that is the number of the ages of their present, because present they have x and y. So we solve for x and y. We can either use substitution or elimination, whichever you want will work for you. So let's use substitution. We will say this one, x will be equal to 6 plus 2y. So bring this one and substitute here. Where you see x, you substitute there. So x here will be 6 plus 2y minus 3y will be equal to negative 8. So this is 6 minus y will be equal to negative 8. Take this into this plus 6. So negative y equal to negative 2. So y equal to 2. Now let us solve our two equations for the value of x and y. Let's use the elimination method, because you can see x is 1, so we can eliminate x. Subtract, this is 0. Negative 8 minus, that will be 14. Negative 3 minus y, 2y. Negative 3 minus 2y. So this is the same as plus. Therefore, negative 3 plus 2, we will have y. So the value of y is equal to 14. To get the value of x, substitute the value of y in any of the equations. So x minus 3 into 14 equal to negative 8. X minus 42 equal to negative 8. X equal to negative 8 plus 42. X equal to 34. X is equal to So it means that now, because we have been asked the present is the now. So now minor equal to 34 years, and then equal to 14 years now. A two-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 9. When the digits are reversed, the number formed exceeds the original number by 9. Find the number. So first, let the number be xy, because a digit number is like 25, 26, a two-digit number 58. This is a two-digit number, so the first one is x and the second one is y. So the sum is to add. It means that x plus y is equal to 9, and that one forms our first equation. So that x plus y is equal to 9 from this statement is such that the sum of its digits, this x plus y, equal to 9. When the digits are reversed, when we reverse the digits, this is what we have. Now initially it was xy, so when you reverse it is yx. Remember, the place value of y is ones, tens. X is in the tens place. When we reverse, x becomes ones, y becomes tens. Remember that. So we are told that when the digits are reversed, the number formed exceeds the original number by 9. So what was the original number and what is the formed number? Original number, this is 10x plus y. Y is in the ones. X, I have multiplied with 10 because it is 10. The digit place value of x here is 10. Ones, tens. Hope you see that. So this one is the original. So what is the new number? New number equal to, now this is 10y, because y is now in the 10 place and x is in the ones, plus x. So this is the new number and this is the original or the old number. But we are told that the new number, the number formed, which is the new number, exceeds. It means that the new number is bigger than this one. The difference is 9. It means that 10y plus x, when you subtract 10x plus y, the answer is 9. Right? Now, this is 10y plus x minus 10x minus y equal to 9. 9y minus this, 9y. 10x, x minus this will be 9x equal to 9. 9 divided by 9 everywhere, both sides. Therefore, y minus x equal to 1. And this is our equation 2. Now we are going to solve this and this equation either using elimination method or substitution to find the value of x and y. Now our first equation was x plus y equal to 9, and our second one is y minus, so if I write this one, it will be negative x. I want to start with x, negative x plus y equal to 1. Now use elimination, subtract let us eliminate y. So y is 0. 9 minus 1, 8. X minus x. 1x minus 1x. The answer is 2x. Because it is negative 1, it is 1 minus 1. And negative times a negative is positive. So 2x is equal to 8. It means that x equal to 4. Now to get the value of y, substitute one of them here. We say x, which is 4, plus y equal to 9. Meaning y equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. So y equal to 5. Now what is the number? The original number is xy, which is 45. So the original number is 45. Meaning the new number, when you interchange, the new number is going to be 54. And you realize 54 minus 45, the answer is 9. So the question was asking, find the original number. Find the number, and the number is 45. Our 2-digit number is 45.